Let's start with the basics, the start and the end event in BPMN. These are the round symbols that you see on the right that you'll always need at the beginning and the end of a process. Both are describing a state. The start event represents the state that triggers the process, something that sets it in motion. The end event, on the other hand, shows the determining state of the process. It marks the outcome or result. The end event is always the final goal of the process. The start event could be a received message, a scheduled time, or an incoming order. The end event could be a sent message or a delivered product. In practice, most processes start with a single start event, but they often have multiple end events depending on how the process can finish. For example, it might end successfully, be cancelled, or fail due to an error. But for now, let's keep it simple with one start and one end event. If you enjoyed this video and want to become truly confident in process modeling, check out my complete BPMN Masterclass on Udemy. The link is in the description below.